The Republic of Poland Embassy in Manila on Sunday released official update regarding the arrival of the Philippine Air Force's Sikorsky S-70i Blackhawk International. The embassy said, and I quote, "This is how helicopters are born. The first batch of 5 S-70i Blackhawk helicopters intended for the Philippine Air Force produced in Poland by PZL Mielec in the hold of the aircraft AN-124 Ruslan has probably already landed on November 9 at 10 a.m. at the airport in Clark," unquote. But it was reported by Max Defense that it actually landed in Clark Air Base Sunday morning. Yaroslav Szczepankowicz, chargé d'affaires of the Embassy of the Republic of Poland in Manila, said in his statement, and I quote, "The purchase of 16 S-70i combat utility helicopters manufactured by the Polish Aviation Works Mielec or PZL Mielec is an excellent example of cooperation between our two countries," unquote. Total of 6 S-70i Blackhawk helicopters, 5 of which were delivered via Antonov AN-124 Ruslan heavy transport aircraft, and the other one is being delivered using a cargo ship on its way to the Philippines. The 16 S-70i Blackhawk helicopters were ordered under the Philippine Air Force's Combat Utility Helicopter Acquisition Project, under the Horizon 2 Phase Priority Project of the revised AFP Modernization Program, and will be assigned to 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing of the Philippine Air Force.